A bust-up between the board of the DAA and its chief executive, Kenny Jacobs, could be coming to a head. Mr. Jacobs is thought to be bracing himself for the possibility that some board members could attempt to suspend him from his role at the airport operator as early as next week. However, it's understood that Mr. Jacobs is preparing to vigorously defend any attempt to suspend him. Any such moves would mark a serious escalation of a months-long boardroom rift that has rocked the semi-state airport operator. It also raises the prospect of the bust-up moving towards litigation. The DAA has declined to comment. A planned €1 million exit package for Mr. Jacobs that was negotiated back in September following mediation is now off the table. It would have seen Mr. Jacobs leave his role in January. The DAA controls both Dublin Airport and Cork Airport and has substantial international operations.